Hi, sweet. What's your name?
Orji-Madugba.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Awesome. So tell me what happened on Saturday.
I had catarrh and cough.
Okay. Was it a lot?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, you guys told us about it over the phone, and we came to pick you guys on Wednesday, right?
Yes.
So tell us what happened when we got home.
My daddy gave me Diva Secret.
One sachet.
Yes.
And was it for you alone or you shared with your siblings?
I shared with my siblings.
Okay. And how did you feel?
I feel better. Then the next morning, I didn't have any catarrh again.
Wow. But did you still have another sachet again?
Yes.
On Thursday.
Thursday morning, I took it with my sibling. Then when my daddy took it this morning, I didn't feel anything again. I feel free of the disease.
Wow. Thank you so much. God bless you, okay?